Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to save your Looker Studio report. Now, the first thing you need to do once you have your report opened up is come here at the top right. You see this share icon. Next to it, you'll see an arrow that points down. So go ahead and click on this arrow, and then you see a drop down. Click here on a download report. Okay? Now you can either download this as a PDF for all the pages or selected pages. So as you can see, I have different pages. You can toggle them on the check mark, or you can just select all of them and see some additional options. For example, if you want a password protected, you can do that as well. But I'll just go ahead and download this, and then you can see the PDF is being prepared. And here at the top right, you'll see that it has downloaded. There we go. I can go ahead and open that up in a new tab. And this is what our report looks like. Okay, so that is page 1. Show you page 2. This is page 3, and so on. Really that easy and simple.